Hey everyone! Today we are going to be checking out LASFIT liners. These are some floor mats for our vehicle. Super excited to check these out. Let's go ahead and get that box opened up. Shipping on these, by the way, super fast and efficient, about 20 pounds or so for that ship weight. Little back of the box information for you there. It looks like it is letting us know these are going to be a perfect fit, pet friendly, wide range in temperature, easy cleaning, slip resistant, durable, and eco-friendly. Taking our first look inside that box, looks like everything is wrapped in plastic. Let's go ahead and get everything on out and have a closer look at it. Inside that box were all of our floor mats, including our cargo mat and some LASFIT liner user manuals. So this is going to give you a little information about what you need to do. So looking over this, first things first, it looks like we do not put the LASFIT liners on top of existing floor mats. So they reiterate that a couple of times in here. So make sure to go ahead and take your existing floor mats out, which is no problem for us. Our vehicle came with these teeny tiny little thin floor mats, which with the change of season, fall leaves, winter right around the corner, we are excited to get these in our vehicle. So let's go ahead and take those floor mats out that are in there and get everything vacuumed nicely. This also lets me know that because they were packaged and they have this bend in them, not to worry, you can go ahead and fold them the opposite direction, and of course time will go ahead and let those flatten out perfectly. So before you, I have all of the pieces. So the front, the back, and the cargo. So we have the passenger side. I love how it's like cut perfectly to fit in the vehicle. So let's go ahead and get these in place and we'll show you what they look like. I vacuumed the entire car and went ahead and installed these. Now remember, these were in a box, kind of folded, and they actually fit remarkably well. So I think they are like laser cut to fit perfectly. Obviously they're not going to affect the gas or the brake, and it does cover up that foot spot that wasn't covered before, that gets dirty all the time. So again, installing these super easy. They even have the little clips in here that the original floor mats had in here. They fit nice. You know, over time they're going to fit in a little bit nicer. Give them just a little bit of time to let those little creases and folds. But so far, I'm fairly impressed. So driver's side looks very, very nice. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the passenger side. Here's the passenger side. Again, remember how it had that curve to it? It fits very nicely to keep that nice and clean with dirty, wet, muddy, or snowy shoes. So again, nice deep basin that comes up the sides to keep those floors nice and clean. The back seat piece is just one piece and it's very, very nice. So again, it fits perfectly down along the sides here. Of course, under that front seat you can see, and then it goes straight on through. So if you have a middle passenger, they also have a floor mat there. That's really nice. Here's a peek at the cargo mat in the back. Again, remember this was folded, so there was a little bump in it. Over time, it'll restore itself to a nice flat liner. Again, though, this is cut very nicely going along the crevices, corners, and curves of the car, and butting up with them very, very nicely. Installing these liners seriously took only just a couple of minutes, so it took longer to clean the car than to put these in. Just as easy was the ordering process. The LASFIT liners website, super, super easy to go ahead and find the things and the components that you need for your vehicle. LASFIT has tons of things available, so you just choose your make, model, and year of your vehicle, and then of course if it's EV or gas powered, and they will go ahead and show you all the things that they offer for your specific vehicle. We have the option of some floor liners and some other things as well. So you could get lost on there for a little while, decking out your car with some neat little options. We've been utilizing the LASFIT mats in our car for a couple of weeks now, and they work really great. After some grocery shopping, you can see this big, huge haul we have from Sam's Club, filling up the back of it, but it keeps the bottom nice and clean in case there's any spills or anything that doesn't stay in its packaging. So far, we absolutely love them. So not only does the back cargo mat work great for hauling, you know, anything you want from e-bikes to other accessories, look at this driver's side floor mat. So as you can see, there's leaves that are all crunched up, debris. It is raining outside, so everything is wet and nasty, but going ahead and getting in the car, I have confidence that this is gonna catch all those nasty things and kind of keep it off the floorboards of the car. So would I recommend these? Absolutely. These are very, very nice, super easy to put in and to order. Look at that. Otherwise that would be on those little carpeted floor mats. Take a look at the back seat ones too. So this is the back seat. Look at those leaves. Like seriously, the little trough system keeps everything in the floor mats. You can just take them out, shake them out, spray them out, whatever you need to do, but it's off the carpeted mats. Awesome. If you want more details, pick yourself up a pair. Any specifications, check the link down below in the description. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.